Yeah, what's up guys? Demi here, back with another game called Will You Press the Button? The first question on the board is, you can connect to the internet via your brain for free, but you hear commercials and Facebook updates and tweets while sleeping. No, I don't think I want to hear all that while I'm sleeping. I will not. This dilemma, I guess it's a good one. You have 12 fingers including thumb instead of the normal 10. But all of your toes are big toes. Ew. Well, then again, technically, if you think about it, if you have 5 like big toes, I guess you have tons of balance, but I don't think I want 12 fingers to begin with, so I think I won't press that button. I don't think that was a very good one. You can have $50 million, but you're permanently paralyzed from the neck down. So Stephen Hawking? He's like the smartest man in the world. I can see having $50 million going a great way. But I really want. I like being active, so I like running around. $50 million would be great to have, but I think I wanna be able to maneuver and run around. That was a good dilemma, I guess. You can eat anything you want without getting fat, and you will stay. I guess that's supposed to be stay for everything. Your food tastes like water and plastic. If I'm eating water and plastic, I guess that's why I'm staying so thin. Jeez. I like tasting things though. I'm getting some odd questions. You would get the ability to fly, but you have to eat 30 bananas every day for the rest of your life. I don't exactly see a downside. I eat lots of bananas anyway. I'll press it. Alright. You'll be able to quit smoking. The price of every product on stores increases by 15%. I don't smoke, so I don't want to press it because I don't smoke. And it makes it easier of a choice. Have the ability to change the outcome of any event and you will die afterwards. No! Let it play out. Oh, someone said change the outcome of my death so I don't die. Paradox. You live the rest of your life in true peace and happiness, but you become socially unacceptable. People will make fun of you and society will despise you. I'll press that button. Y'all can hit me if y'all want, at least I'll be happy. You develop telekinetic abilities, but you can never manipulate objects with your actual hands again. I guess so. I lose my hands then? It'd be a little weird. Although I really would love to have telekinetic abilities. It'd be really awesome if I could have telekinetic abilities. But I want to be able to use my hands, so I don't think I will. You can travel wherever you want, whenever you want. You lose 1 year of your life each time you travel. So basically, if I'm living to 100, if I travel 10 times, I lose 10 years. I don't think I see a downside to this one. Because if I'm living to old age anyway, at least I would have said I travel almost everywhere. So I'll press that button. Oh yeah, that's true. Someone did say too risky with a phrase that vague. I don't want to use a year because I travel from my living room to my kitchen for a snack. Someone said I wish I read your comment before pushing the button because it's been 46 years already. Oh, okay, so it's too vague. I guess I called out a bad one. But it got me to press it. Get an automatic A on every test and take no homework again. You'd have to go to bed at 5 o'clock p.m. on weekends forever. But I've already left school, so I don't think I'll be pressing that. Da, 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 da. You have an unlimited supply of money. You have to ride the bus twice a day for an hour and a half each time, and you awkwardly touch legs with someone that sits next to you. Alright, that's not even a problem. I don't see a downside to this at all. Oh, just hit good for that one. You live in Star Wars universe. You are a clone. Nope. Clones don't hit jack shit. Someone said leave the army and be a farmer. The ability to understand, read, and write any language of your choice, but you will never be able to speak in another language other than your first language. Ever. I'll do that. I don't need to speak. I can write it. Someone says, would you still be able to sit taco? I was like, I hope so. Okay. You get $100 million, but every day you must make eye contact with a random stranger and wink at them while eating a banana. Alright, I'll do it. Someone said I'd do it for free. Oh, that was a good dilemma. You become a member of a successful band, but you're the baddest and they play music you hate. Oh, you're the bassist. Oh my god, I can't read. Oh my god. You're the bassist and they play music you hate. I don't mind when I leave the band and wanna eventually I'll be rich. You gain the ability to turn any object into another object of your choice 3 times a day. You have to press the button for the next scenario. The next scenario better be a good one. Let's see. I don't see a downside though. Just press the other button. World peace forever. You die. I have to press this button now. I have no choice. I have to press this button. I have to press it. I have no choice. No. Over 90% of the people who press the button are lying to themselves. I guarantee it. I had no choice. I had to press it. I had to press the button. I had no choice in the matter. You know, on Google and all its wealth, you have to use Firefox and Yahoo for the rest of your life. For my emails and my browser, I use Firefox currently. I don't use Yahoo, but I could. I don't exactly see a downside to this either. Someone said it could be worse than Firefox and Yahoo. It could be Internet Explorer. You gain the ability to teleport anywhere in the world instantly and error-free. Every time you use the power, your life expectancy is lowered by 7 days. I'm literally sitting here thinking about it. So I lose a week every time I do that. I'll still press it. That was a good one. Yeah, because someone does say it only says expectancy. Still means I can live as long as before. Because I'm only losing a week. I'm losing a week of my life. So if I do that 4 times in say like a year, I lose a month. Technically. So and I won't be using it foolishly. If I had to teleport, clearly I'll lose a week. So I wouldn't just be teleporting every random place. Well that was a good one. I think I'll make the next one my last though for this episode. You can instantly absorb anime in your head with perfect comprehension. Your backlog will never end and everyone hates you. I don't see an upside to this one. I don't want to absorb anime in my head. I'll just watch it online. I won't press that button. Someone said most anime is ridiculously stupid anyway. I do not agree with that. There are some anime that are amazing. I'll tell you that now. There are some anime that are very amazing. But I think that'll do it for this episode, guys. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody, and good night.